Hey guys, if you're trying to watch a video on Netflix and the screen keeps flickering, then keep watching, as in this video I'll show you a few ways you can fix this issue. So what you need to do is head over to your internet browser, and in this example I'll be using Google Chrome, but if you're using another internet browser like Firefox or something like that, then the steps will be somewhat similar. So what we need to do is head over to the settings by coming to these three vertical dots, scrolling all the way down to settings, and then you need to find a setting called hardware accelerated GPU. So on Google Chrome, this is located right at the bottom down here inside of System, and then you'll see this option, Use Graphics Acceleration when available. So just go ahead and disable this feature, and then whilst we're in the settings window, we also want to come down to About Chrome at the bottom here, and just make sure you're running the latest version of your internet browser. So there should be a check for updates button here. I'm not too sure why it's not showing at the moment. And then the last thing you're going to do is come over to Privacy and Security from the left hand side, come over to Clear Browsing Data, and you just need to make sure that cookies and other site data are selected. Make sure cache images and files are also checked, and then just go ahead and press Clear Data. Then you can restart your internet browser and check to see if that's fixed the flickering issue. If you're still getting the flickering, then another thing that could be causing this is your third-party extensions. So what we need to do is just come back over to these three dots and come over to Extensions, select Manage Extensions, and then just go ahead and disable any extensions that we have enabled inside of here. And how you do that is you simply just toggle this button on and off here. So I've already got all of mine disabled, and then once again you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Now if that still doesn't work, there's just a couple of settings we can actually change on our system. So you'll need to head over to your start menu and search for settings, then just head over to the settings window. From the left hand side, come over to System and select Display. Then in the Scale and Layout section, just make sure Scale and Display Resolution are both set to their recommended numbers. You can see here they have this recommended text right next to them. Then we're going to come over to the bottom and select Advanced Display. And down here where it says choose a refresh rate, you just want to go ahead and set this to the highest number available. Now if you already have this set to the highest number available and you're still getting issues, you can actually try lowering this to also see if that fixes the issue. And by following all of these steps, at least one of those should have now fixed the flickering issue for you. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.